Hello our beloved friends, so today we will talk about an iPhone feature. So here I want to show you the way how you can remove emoji from your picture only with your iPhone without any other applications for editing. Open your photo library here. So the photo library will be consists all of the photo collections that you have, and you just need to open the picture that containing emoji on it. And let's see here, I already have this picture as well as I have this small icon right here that I will let to hide or remove. And after you open it, make sure that you take a look on this top right corner. There will be an edit options or edit button. You just need to go click them. The next thing you need to do is just go click this pen button over here, and you just need to go click this plus button on the down part here and just go click add shape. In this part, you just need to pick what a type of shape that you want to use. I will like to use the circles. And the next thing you need to do is just change the color by go click this part. And then click this color picker and just drag the area that closes with the icon or the emoji that you have. And then you just need to go click X. And then you just need to drag the shape into the top side of the emoji. And then you just need to go click done. So those emoji is already disappear from the picture. That's the way how you do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.